Good afternoon everyone, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma page, welcome to my page. Today I'm coming to you for a new topic, je viens avec un nouveau sujet aujourd'hui. So, for those who don't know, my name is Innocent Messi, is also the name of my brand because I'm a fashion designer. I have a degree in fashion design technology, women's wear. I have my own clothing brand. The topic I want us to talk about today is about African women clothing measurement chart. Okay, when I was at uni, they will give you pattern blocks, so they're pattern sizes, so you have size from size 0 to size, I think the most you used to go was like size 20. We never really went up to size 22. Maybe size 20 is actually a stretch, maybe to size 18. Okay, now those pattern sizes, the measurement were take on women, on Caucasian women, like a different range of Caucasian women, different sizes. Okay, and so basically want to give you that pattern, and you have to work with a model. You take the measurement on that model, and you have to transfer those measurements on your pattern block to now adjust the measurement on the pattern, on the basic pattern, before you start the transformation. I'm getting all technical with you here. So and then you have to add those measurements and make that adjustment before you can now design the garment for the client or the person that you have to design for, right? So, and I found out that I used to, because like as a black girl, as a black woman, when I use those patterns either for myself or my customer, because like when I was at uni, I could already make custom made garment for customers, for clients. So when I would use those patterns, like those basic pattern that were used on Caucasian women and Asian women, they did not always, it was always kind of a lot of adjustment when I had to transfer. Like, let's say I'll take a measurement of one auntie or one friend and try to adjust that pattern with her measurement. God, the struggle. It was twice the work, it was twice the adjustment, it was twice or three times everything, because most African women are they're generous in different places, right? And then you get a pattern from a Caucasian woman who basically is the measurement what they call is a rectangle shape. They don't have any, most of them don't have breasts, most of them don't have hips, they don't have bum, so it's kind of like a straight kind of like pattern. And when you want to add all those extras onto it, it kind of look a bit, so as I'm preparing myself to go back into the fashion industry, to revamp my fashion brand, and also my main market focus is going to be African women in the African countries. Of course, I'm going to be selling to all the African across Europe and in America, but mainly I'm going to be based in Africa, working with African, making clothes for Africans, okay, that fit African women. And I was thinking, okay, when the measurement that I have right now are UK based measurement, European based measurement, American based measurement, and when we say American base, you're going to probably think, okay, is African American measurement? No. It's Caucasian American. So it's basically European chart, just American, right? So I'm like, what am I going to do? I cannot restart my clothing brand, because I used to have a lot of problems as well. I'm thinking to myself, when I'm going to restart my brand and relaunch my brand, where am I going to get the measurement? How am I going to get the measurement? I don't want to use those European, UK based, French based, American based measurement, because it doesn't work for our body. Because the woman I'm trying to dress does not really fit in those categories, because her body is built differently. So my goal is like, I want to create a chart, like measurement chart, that can be universal for African women, body shape. Okay, and I know that's a big task, and but what I started like listening, I started watching women talking, for instance, for their jeans. Like when you buy jeans, I have the same problem here. You buy jeans, yes, I don't have the bum and I don't have the hips, but I have thick legs, so I always struggle with getting jeans past my legs. Okay, and also, so you buy jeans and then you have the big gap at the back, or you buy a dress, it fit you on the top, and then at the bottom it doesn't go through because you have a big hips or you have big bumps. So all these problems that I want to take in consideration when I'm going to start my brand. But what I'm coming to you like is also, if you could tell me, if you're a woman, African woman, a black woman, watching me right now, what are your struggle when it comes to buying clothes? What would you like change? What are the problem that you're facing that you think that could be corrected, so that when you buy your clothes, you don't have to take it to a tailor to have it adjusted, you don't have to worry like, is it gonna fit, like and like, so I just want to hear from you guys, like, what do you think, what are your problems, what are the things that you think can be corrected, or what are the sort of clothing style design, because some of the clothing that they're making is not necessarily flattering to our body type. Okay, so that's why I'm here today. I'm making my own survey, my own research, so when I am ready to start relaunching my brand and making my collection, I want to make sure that my customers are happy and that everything is fit them perfectly. I mean, because I'm sick and tired of having to struggle when I go shopping and I see my brothers and sisters, because also men are also affected, struggling to find the clothes that fit them perfectly and that complement their shape and their body and their skin tone as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below, and I will see you next time. Merci beaucoup. Bye bye.